if any jams are coming in through here, but sorry, you're gonna be able to see them.
Okay.
Yep.
But no jams are gonna come through there,
No jams. Now,
right? Well,
this has the safety switch on there. Won't let you close it if that door's open. It's to make sure that you have nothing. So some people open up and put stuff in there,
okay.
according to the classes. All the magic, if you will, happens on this end right here. Print head is underneath this shield.
Okay.
This raises and lowers. 5 swipes will give you a full page full of the image.
Oh. Okay.
And that's it. That's all you got to play with.
That's good. So you don't have to go through like 25 different steps to.
That's all
It's
you
not gonna jam. So.
No, it's not. Never gonna jam. This is all you have to play with, which was weird for me.
Yeah. That's just really through it.
Yep. Goes through in there. Head comes down, gets printed, gets shot out this way, or if you have the LCT or the finisher, shot right there.
Okay.
The tray size on this is wider than the Sharp. Wider than your.
So you can make it bigger than the ledger?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's each tray.
Okay.
So we can go.
Awesome.
Each and every one. Mechanically wise, there's a lot less in the machine. You don't have a fuser burning up your electric bill. You don't have a transfer belt. You have a side by side. You know what it is.
Yeah.
It's nice and warm. Get your fuser. You got your drums. You got your whole hoop hands.
You don't have any of that stuff.
No. The technology is so that
That's it?
this cartridge is pressurized. It's heavy. It uses tool.
Okay.
When it's empty one, cascades into the other. So
Okay.
it gives you a chance to blow
Okay.
the other one in. These other cartridges the same way. These were the starters that came with the unit, so this is going to be significantly less.
Oh.
Yeah, but they come full.
Okay.
Awesome. I mean, document feeder, scanning, you get the same abilities from the ink machine that you do from this printer.
Okay.
What else? Which goes to show, same thing with these guys. They're not sitting there idling. The inks for these guys, this is your paper tray in. Here's your bypass.
Okay.
Envelopes, cardstock.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So it's direct feed. This unit has an extra paper tray and the case. The cabinet, sorry, paper cabinet.
Oh, okay. That comes with it.
Here's where your inks are stored, your ink cartridges. These are the starters. Starters are not going to have a lot. They just prime the machine to get going. Your regular cartridge is full IV bag.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, this is what
Just
they
a
get you
little
to
bag.
get going. Yeah, and it lasts. The ink lasts. It's smaller cousin or brother is that one, which is printer only. Same technology, just printer only. You're missing the dock here.
Oh, okay.
Scan to email, scan to folder, standard, scan to USB. What else? Print stored documents, scan from the USB device, so the majority of stuff the same. You can have this broadcast Wi-Fi, so you got extra people in the office that want to use it. You can do that.
Okay.
What else?
Exit card, exit tray here.
This is the same thing with the.
So that one's the same thing, it doesn't have a fuser.
Fuser and a transfer belt.
I solved your problem.
Solve the question?
Yeah. Okay. This has a very simple way of not printing faxes. I know you don't want to hear this, but because it's less clicks. But we can take and send the faxes, incoming faxes, to a shared folder, and you'll still have to print them, but let's say that you have the gal at the front desk, right? She can be checking that folder when faxes come in, or when you're gonna get that confirmation page back,
Okay.
and it'll go to a shared folder. We'll just have to learn how to set that up. And
He had that set up on the Sharp before. Remember before that computer crashed? You replaced
Yeah.
it?
We did and we never got it working again.
okay,
Yeah, the biggest
Well-
thing is we need to make sure we have a person that's always looking at it.